वेलकम टू डे 5। आज के बाद द फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन यू एंड योर टीनेजर विल डिक्रीज फॉर एवर, सो वॉच केयरफुली। यू टेल योर टीन what you dislike about them often, but have you ever asked what do they dislike about you? ये सवाल आपको चुभ सकता है। It can shake your ego, but it can also dissolve years of silent tension. Day 5 of our 7-day teen transformation challenge. Today's step is simple but powerful. Ask your teen today 3 things they dislike about you the most. It won't be easy, but if you have done days 1 to 4, you know by now. Small steps, big shifts. One Pune father I worked with did this exercise. His 16-year-old said, "You always look disappointed at me. Even when you don't say anything, मेरे को ऐसे लगता है कि मैं आपकी expectations को पूरा ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ." And it hurts, Papa. The father listened, reflected, and said, "I realize I might be doing that, beta. I'm sorry. I will change this." और यदि फिर से मेरे से ऐसे हो ना, तो बता देना, आदत हो गई है ना, तेरी हेल्प लगेगी इसको ठीक करने में। 2 hours later his son came, hugged him and said, "Thank you, Papa. You understood me today. I can't explain how light I am feeling." Imagine what that one moment could do for you and your son, your daughter. Your day 5 challenge. Sit with your son, daughter, look them in the eyes and say, "Chalo, tell 3 things about me that irritate you the most." And then just listen. No defending, no explaining, not even, "But I was just trying to help." शुरुआत तो तुमने की थी। As a parent, this is my duty. Nothing. When they finish, simply say, "Thank you." And then ask, "If you could change just one thing about me, what would it be?" यदि तुमको मेरे अंदर एक चीज बदलनी हो तो तुम क्या बदलोगे? Note it down, reflect deeply, and if it's reasonable, do it. Let me tell you, most of the times it will be. जब मैंने ये एक्सरसाइज अपने बेटे के साथ की तो he said, "आप मेरी बात पूरी नहीं होने देते हो, बीच में अपना बोलने लगते हो और ये बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है." एंड आई चेंज्ड माई सेल्फ। अभी भी कोशिश कर रहा हूं, अभी भी मुझसे हो जाता है ऐसा। बट व्हेन यू आस्क, लिसन एंड चेंज, यू शो योर चाइल्ड दैट दे मैटर. You teach them adaptability, communication, emotional intelligence, all real 21st century skills. And trust me, your child notices your effort. चाहे वो ऐसा बोले नहीं, they admire you for it. Parents, quick recap. Ask, what 3 things about me irritate or hurt you the most? Listen. Again ask, what's the one change you wish to see in me? Listen and do it. Friends, all the things I am telling you in this 7-day journey, this is just the surface. There is so much more. That's exactly why I created my 12-week Teen Parent Transformation Program. A step-by-step hand-holding journey where we go deeper into conversations like this and turn them into opportunities for lasting connection. We will talk more about it tomorrow, but if you are curious, join our No Nonsense community for sincere parents. Link is in the description. Save this video. It may well be your turning point, and share it with other parents who need this. कल हम बात करेंगे आज के चक्रव्यूह की, The Digital Trap. Don't miss it. Till then, Namaste.